It is a journey of time, nature, and precision.
Well, hello there, little fella.
Every steak is hand-trimmed by master butchers.
It is a journey of time, nature, and precise agricultural science, delivering the world's most
Well, hello there, little fella. You're all right?
In the early hours of spring, the calving season begins. Each newborn is immediately monitored and logged into a massive digital database.
For the first several months, the calves roam freely, drinking maternal milk and grazing on native, nutrient-rich grasses.
Technology tracks every step, ensuring the Angus cattle remain stress-free, healthy, and perfectly hydrated.
As they reach maturity, the cattle are transitioned to specialized finishing yards, where their diet shifts to optimize marbling and flavor. Nutritionists formulate exact diets for the herd, calculating the perfect ratio of protein and carbohydrates. Using ultrasound technology, experts can see the internal marbling of the beef while the animal is still growing, ensuring ultimate quality.
Comfort, calm environments, and precise nutrition. This is the formula for the world's finest beef. Following a swift and highly regulated harvest, the true culinary transformation begins in a sterile, climate-controlled environment. The most premium cuts are placed in Himalayan salt aging rooms for up to 45 days, intensifying the flavor and tenderness. Every steak is hand-trimmed by master butchers, ensuring only perfection reaches the packaging line. Sealed for absolute freshness, the premium steaks are boxed in a near-freezing environment to maintain the cold chain. The logistics network operates below 38 degrees, tracking every pallet globally via GPS.
Order up. 2 Prairie Prime ribeyes, medium rare.
Heard, chef, right away.
Garnish for table 5 now.
A perfect mouth-watering crust, protecting an incredibly tender, juicy center.
Your Prairie Prime Wagyu, madam. Enjoy.
It looks heavenly. Thank you.
The ultimate standard in premium beef.